In the 1940s, a top-secret project by Little Adams aimed to drop incendiary bats on Japan, a plan as bold as it was odd. The idea attached tiny incendiaries to thousands of bats, hoping they would roost in roofs and ignite quietly at night. Field tests used mock towns and cages, but the bats proved harder to manage than anyone anticipated. The project was cancelled for practicality and safety reasons, yet the tale endures as a quirky window into wartime ingenuity. It shows how imagination, even when misfired, reveals the strange creativity that history sometimes hides in plain sight.